MetaTrader 4 winning trading strategy. This particular strategy is made for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this on the right platform. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Do like my video and do give me a thumb up. Do like my video and do turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. I have combined few indicators together again to come up with this particular strategy. One of the indicators on my chart do repaint or do recalculate, and that was why I combine both repainting and non-repainting indicator for better accuracy. Before you take any trade at all, kindly check Forex Factory to make sure that there's no news for that particular period that you want to trade. And it is better you stay off that particular period either 30 minutes before or 30 minutes after the news and allow the market to settle down. This strategy can be used either on stock, indices, on Forex, Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. You can use this particular strategy. And I'm going to show you how to use this particular FOREX tools that I've combined together for MetaTrader 4. Please do not force the market. Trade what you see and not what you think. Most times we make that mistake, trying to trade what we think and refuse to face the reality and trade what we see on our chart. And no strategy is 100% accurate. Make sure you follow money management. And one single pair may not be giving you signal on a daily basis. So if you do not see a perfect signal, move on to the next pair and do not force the market thinking that it will go in your direction when all your analysis is not in agreement. Now let's move on how to use this particular FOREX tools for MT4. Now I have few indicators here, as I said earlier, and this black indicator here, black arrow here, do repaint. This is a breakout arrow, and this is not the not repainting type. Though there's no repainting breakout arrow, you are going to see many arrows, and you might not know the one to take except to combine with other indicator. And the fact that one indicator repaint does not make it less accurate, because for instance, it's just like you wanted to go somewhere and there's a danger there or something happened that you have to change your mind. There's nothing bad in it if you change your mind. And this is how this indicator works also. And this other indicator here, the red and blue indicator, does not repaint. And these three lines also, like a moving averages, does not repaint. Then we have TDI indicator also. We have this strength indicator here on the right hand corner, lower part of right hand corner of my chart here, and the indicator at the upper right hand corner. All these show us the signal are on different time frame from 1 minute to daily, and this shows us the strength of the particular pairs we are trading. For instance, right now this is GU, and Great Britain pounds is stronger than USD at this particular moment. And this is how to use this particular tools. If this is stronger and most of these, the first 15 minutes, 1 to 15 minutes are green, and we have the breakout arrow here, followed by blue arrow for a buy, and all the candles are above this three line, then you are good to enter your trade. And we have TDI, the blue and red above the black line of TDI, then this is one of the best area to place our trade when we have all the indicators in agreement. And when you look closely at this point, we have all the indicators in agreement. Here is another point also, black, then followed by the red arrows close below this three moving average. Then you place your trade, and then the stop loss is going to be previous high. The stop loss is going to be previous high before the signal was generated for a buy, and for a sell rather, and for a buy it's going to be previous few p below the previous low before the signal was generated. And your take profit is going to be either at the upper band of this particular indicator that do give us extreme oversold, then ultimate resistance zone. And then at this point you can get out of your trade, or you trade your profit with trailing stop. And this is how to use this particular strategy. This line, when you have all the indicators in agreement at a certain point, this is to tell us that this particular trade will deliver, because we have this candle here on the overshoot and support, ultimate support zone here, this blue color line here, then followed by all the indicators, then this will definitely deliver. And this is how to use this particular strategy. It is simple and anyone can use it. You can use it on any time frame you want. Here is it on the 1 hour time frame, and each time you do not see accurate signal that look accurate to you based on your analysis, please do not force the market. Go to another pairs, move on to another pairs to check if you will see a good setup for you to trade. Now let's check it on 5 minutes. On 5 minutes we have the same setup also. We have a buy signal here, all in agreement at this particular point. Here's another buy signal generated close above this three line here, and the TDI, both green and red, are above the black color, and this did deliver also. So this is how to use this particular strategy. Now let me show you all the indicators that I've combined together to come up with this MetaTrader 4 strategy. The first indicator here is Murray math indicator, and these are the colors and values. I do change this value and turn it to null. I do not need the color, I only need the middle point, which is the green line we see here, and the blue line, the Georgia blue and the dark blue, which is at the bottom here for a buy signal, and for a sell, the orange and dark orange and red at the upper band there, to show us the if the market is overbought or oversold already. So you don't and now let me show you, don't buy at the extreme overshoot or as the ultimate resistance here. You will only be looking out for a sell signal around the extreme overshoot and not buy signal. So the second indicator I use is this breakout indicator. I use the black color, the black arrow, and these are the value. These indicators do repeat. So the three line here that we have like a moving averages are the trend high, trend low, and trend medium indicators. And these are the value. Period is 36 and the volume factor is 0.72. And this is the dark green, the upper part of this line. And the next one is the middle line, which is yellow. The middle one, this is the trend low, which is the lower part of the moving average, the fire break color, and the value is 36 and is 0.72 also. Then we have the trend medium, the middle value now, which is the yellow color, and the value is 30, period is 36, and volume factor is 0.72. And this is the three lines indicator that I use here. The other indicator at the right hand side corner of my chart is the signal bar indicator, and these are the setting, how I set it up. You can use any other value, but this is what I use. Then the indicator at the lower part to your right here on the chart is this hard indicator, and there's nothing to change here. Just use the default setting. And besides, I'm going to drop the template also, so that you can have the same chart like mine. Just make sure you download it. The download link is in the YouTube video description. Just make sure you click on the link and download it. And the and this particular indicator that gives us this blue and red arrow, these are the values for the indicators, and these are the color. The other indicator line, I do not use it. I only use the blue and the red color here. The last indicator is TDI Pro indicator, and I believe most of us we are familiar with this indicator. So just make sure you use the template. So this is all the indicator I use for this particular strategy. Make sure you give me a thumb up if you don't like this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, the download link is in the video description. Make sure you download it. And this particular strategy is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. Always check your news before you trade, and do follow money management on a daily basis. Do not be an emotional trader, but follow your strategy, follow your plan, and trade your plan, and you will be good. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.